Here I have Samsung Galaxy M53, and today I'm going to show you how to scan QR codes on this device. So firstly, let's open camera, then tap on the gear icon to access its settings and just enable feature scan QR codes. So when you have it enabled, when your camera spots QR code, for example this one, it will automatically show you this suggestion to open web address, which you can see here, HardReset.Info. So you can show options like you can copy this link or you can just open it in browser. Let's do it once again. Okay, open link, open in browser, and now you can see what's being encoded to this QR code and maybe find something. Can I please see the page? Oh, and maybe you can see something interesting here, find something for yourself, and so yeah, maybe find it useful. You can find here many tutorials, different languages, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.